It is very amusing to me that people often think access to birth control is controversial. As a matter of fact, in survey after survey after survey, decade after decade, 90% of Americans think that people should have access to birth control, that family planning, contraception, and the related healthcare services ought to be available. 75% or more think that access should be available to low-income women by government support. In other words, that there should be funding for family planning services from government sources for low-income women. Now, tell me, what else do 90% of Americans agree on? Birth control is really not very controversial at all. It's just a loud 5% that make it so. And the rest of us need to not let them make it controversial, because it isn't.